Hi, I'm Ryan Stripmather, the founder, president, and CEO of Grayscale Capital. If you're watching this video, you might be considering selling your home, and I want to walk you through exactly what to expect from this moment forward. Our process is designed to be simple, transparent, and stress-free. So let's dive in. Step 1, contact us. Give us a call or text us at 216-677-4810 or fill out our easy-to-use form to get started. Tell us about your house. We want to hear your story and learn about your goals. We take the time to understand your needs and work together as a team to create a tailored solution that works best for you. Whether you're facing foreclosure, dealing with repairs, or simply ready to sell your house fast, we're here to help. Now, step 2, receive your offer. We'll meet you at your property for a walkthrough to assess its value, determine necessary repairs and costs, and answer any questions. After our team completes a property valuation assessment, we'll present you with a fair, no obligation cash offer that aligns with your goals for the property. No pressure, no hidden fees, just a straightforward cash offer that puts you in the driver's seat. Now, step 3, the last step. You choose the closing date. Once you accept our offer and decide to sell your house, you're in control of the timeline. Choose a closing date that works best for you, whether it's as soon as possible or at a time that's most convenient. We'll handle everything. We work with a reputable local title company to ensure a smooth closing process and cover all of the associated fees. All you need to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy getting paid. Do you have a few questions? Most people do. Visit our FAQ page, where we answer some of the most common questions from sellers like you. If you can't find the information you need or have a question specific to your property or situation, don't hesitate to call or text us today at 216-677-4810 or fill out our easy-to-use form. We're here to help you make the best decision for your family regarding selling your house. Thank you for considering Grayscale Capital. We can't wait to work with you.